Hello guys, my name is ShaHam and you are seeing my channel ShaHam Tech. So in today's video I will show you that how to make a swipe up link in your Facebook story. For that you have to go to your Google Chrome. When you come to your Google Chrome, so I have Facebook icon, so if you don't have, so you can write it www.facebook.com and you can sign into your Facebook account. When you I'm already signed into my Facebook account. If you are not signed in, so you have to get signed in, and then you have to come to your Facebook account, Facebook profile, and there is the like you are seeing that there is written add to story, so you have to click on add to story. After clicking on add to story, so there is what you want to upload there. So if you have link, so click on the link. There is link, so you copy the link. When you copy the link, so there you can come and paste it there. So when you paste it there, so this is like it's pasted there, and if you want to write something else there, so you can also write it there. Like I will write Istanbul, Turkey, amazing views. So when you write it there, then there is two options. One is like news feed and one is your story. You can select all of two of them, and if you want to share it with your news feed, so you can select news feed and unselect this one. And if you want to select, so we are basically doing the swipe up option on your story, so this is just for your story. So you will just select story and just see everything is fine and post it. So when you post your story, so now you will see that there will be the option it's on, so click on this. You are seeing that there is writing that I write, and there is one option that you will see, like I will come. So now when you click on this, and then it will directly go to, like I will stop this one, and when you open this option, so in mobile there will be one option for swipe up, like you can put their swipe up option. So you can put your Facebook page link in your stories like this. So this was the video. If you enjoyed this video, so subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. So see you in another video. Have a good time. Goodbye.